Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your over-the-range microwave is convertible to outside venting and noting the required duct diameter, usually 3 to 6. Once done, shut off power at the breaker and remove the unit following the manual, safety first. Now mark the path through the cabinet and wall or ceiling using a stud finder and probing for wiring. Make the first cut where the vent will exit. Make it precise so the duct will sit square and straight, which prevents gaps and air leaks. Next, you run rigid metal ducting from the microwave cabinet to the exterior cap, because rigid duct keeps static pressure low and reduces grease buildup. Route the duct in straight runs, using 90 degrees elbows sparingly, and fasten each joint with metal foil tape and sheet metal screws. Do not use duct tape. Install a backdraft damper near the exterior cap to stop outside air and pests. Finally, mount flashing and the wall or roof cap, and seal the penetration with exterior-grade caulk to keep water out. To finish, you reinstall the microwave, reconnecting the vent adapter to the rigid duct and restoring power. Turn the fan to high and observe airflow at the exterior cap and under the hood. You should feel a steady stream. If airflow is weak, make sure the duct is straight, the damper opens freely, and the duct diameter matches the microwave spec. If you encounter vibration or noise, tighten fasteners and add a rubber isolator. One troubleshooting tip: inspect for grease clogs or bird nests at the cap before assuming motor failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.